Hi, my name's Helen and I'm a physiotherapist with a special interest in pelvic health. So I'm going to give you some top tips about working your pelvic floor. So the first thing is this is not just for people if they're pregnant or just had a baby. This is going to be really important to us through our entire lives. And the pelvic floor is a muscle, so it's important to work it through full range. So you've got to contract it all the way and relax it all the way. So when you're doing these exercises, really think about letting go as well. So the first thing that you're going to try and do is it's not just about the front. So you want to imagine that you're stopping wind, then stopping your wee and lifting up towards your tummy button. So it's a back to front to lift connection. And that happens quite a lot easier with your exhale breath. So if you're struggling to do this, the easiest place to do it is actually lying on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor. You can also pop some pillows underneath your pelvis so that you're at more of an incline because gravity will assist your pelvic floor working. Now you want to try and do this for 10 lots of 10-second holds and then also work a little bit quicker. So you're going to try and do 10 1-second squeezes, so on and off. And then once you feel happy with doing this on your back, you want to try and also do this in sitting and also in standing. Now when you're in standing, you can change your foot position. So if you turn your toes in, that will work a different part of your pelvic floor. And if you turn your toes out, that will also work a different part. So again, mix it up and try lots of things. The other thing to remember is that your pelvic floor gets tired as the day goes on. So it might be that you want to do these exercises first thing in the morning, or if you are struggling with maybe signs of a prolapse, start to work it a little bit more towards the end of the day when you're already pre-fatigued. But most importantly, if you're not sure, then you must go and see a pelvic health physio. They can help you, they can give you potentially a scan or even an internal assessment so they can tell you if it's actually working and how much you need to do and if it's just you need to relax a little bit more or if you need to strengthen. But any questions, please get in touch.